Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from KnitCrate to open. I'm pretty excited about this. It is a subscription that you can get monthly, and they send you something different each time. It's cute tissue. Ooh, look at this yarn. It's beautiful. It is Knitology by KnitCrate. It's glowing worsted in the colorway Shoreline, 40% superwash merino, 30% silk, and 30% alpaca. You get 150 yards. It's a US size 8 to 10 needle, so that's a 5 to 6 millimeter. And oh my goodness, it is super squishy and nice. So I get 2 skeins of that. And I don't know, it says Shoreline, but it's like a pinkish gray almost. Ooh, and look at this, Ahmad Tea of London. We are a British family with 4 generations of passion for producing the finest teas. Tea lovers in over 80 countries enjoy our specialty blends and call Ahmad Tea their favorite tea. From our family to yours. Look at that, peach and passion fruit, strawberry sensation, and mango magic. I will be sure to try those for sure. I love tea. And then here are inspirations for the November KnitCrate. So, and they have a sock crate. And it looks like I could have gotten one of 3 different colors. Yeah. C is chill, beta is the energize me, and Shoreline is all natural. And then here are the different sock yarns that you could have gotten. And then here are some patterns. There's sock patterns, some knit patterns. Ooh, I like that a lot. The caudal fin cap and mitts. And then there's a cowl for crochet. How neat is that? So you get patterns and yarn to make something new each month. How neat is this? I'm really liking it. So I will check it out and try to work on this month. I don't know if I'll get to it this month, but yeah, I might make one of those hats. So very neat. I am liking it. I would recommend for sure. It is a $25 box, but you get 2 skeins of yarn and patterns, so that seems pretty fair. And if you sign up during their special, which they sometimes will run, you can get the first box for $5. So kind of neat. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.